Hey folks, found something underneath the car when I was looking, and I don't know why this is the case, but that screw over there underneath, I don't know what it does, but this screw should not be loose like this. I don't know what that is. As you can see, it was like this. I don't know what that is actually. It was the same thing on the other side. I don't know if it's supposed to be loose. So let me go over to the other side, show you. That screw right there, it was like this. It was like almost about to come off. I don't know if the service center forgot to tighten it or whatever, but right now I'm hand tightening it because I found it loose like this. Don't know what the hell is going on, but I don't even know what that is attached to and what it could have been attached to, because it's loose. So I guess for those who have a Model X, please set your suspension to high and check if this bolt is loose or not. I don't know what the use of it is for. It may be some kind of suspension component or something. So just FYI, just check yours and let me know if anyone else is having this loose bolt problem. Yeah, so it looks like there's some slot here. I don't know what it is. I'm not a mechanic, but I definitely know it shouldn't be loose. You can't make this shit up. This is definitely starting to look like a lemon. I don't know what else is loose on the car, or what else the service center forgot to tighten. But yeah, this thing is kind of dangerous.